When we lose our direction, our clarity of our life force, pranayama, can help us because it is a directed force with intelligence. A pranayama practice can create focus and clarity by controlling our breath pattern. Prana also directly impacts our central nervous system, which can trigger our rest response. When we enter into stress states, our breath changes. If we laugh or cry, the breath pattern tends to move in shorter spurts. Or if we're afraid, we suck in the breath and hold it in. If we're feeling down, we can sigh a lot more, losing our life force or prana. But if we see a sunset, we can breathe out a long, relaxed exhale of contentment. Our breath is tied to our emotion and our mind. Prana is the bridge. So if we change the pattern of the breath through pranayama, we can change our emotional state and our mental state. If we don't regularly practice pranayama and are facing uncertainty or indecision or feel that we have lost our direction, then we can try other methods of focus and concentration that can help. The practice of concentration in yoga is called dharana, which means to hold. And in this context, we're holding our attention on a thought or an object. We can hold focus when we paint, ride a bike, play a sport, practice mindfulness in each moment, sing, dance, bake, or do whatever keeps our mind pointed in one direction. This will flow our focus, our action, and the prana in one direction. We can also practice this by focusing on someone we love. If you've been in love or perhaps have someone you really care about, there may have been a time that they were always on your mind or in the back of your mind. This is the feeling of holding one pointed focus. So if we practice this way, it becomes effortless.